Can I come in?
Sure, the door is open.
Are you watching TV?
Yes, I am watching a sports game.
Can I call you?
Of course, anytime.
Is it too heavy?
Yes, I can barely move it.
Are you going to school?
Yes, I have classes this afternoon.
Where is the bathroom?
On the other side of the lobby.
Do you like this color?
No, I prefer more neutral color.
Are you reading a book?
No, I'm just looking at some notes.
Do you eat bread?
No, I don't like the test.
Can I borrow pen?
Of course, do you need paper too?
What is she doing?
Is writing an email.
Is your brother okay?
He has had a rough week.
Can we eat now?
No, the oven is still on.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I need it for my studies.
Are you playing soccer?
No, I am too tired to play today.
Can we go now?
Yes, we have waited long enough.
Where did you park?
I took a taxi so didn't park.
Are you tired?
Not all, I am ready to go.
Do you know the way?
No, let's took it up online.
Where did you sleep?
I had to sleep in the office.
Where are my glasses?
They're right here on the bookshelf.
Do you need a jacket?
Yes, I don't want to catch a cold.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I typical have soup and bread.
Can I open the window?
No, there is a lot of dust outside.
Are you feeling sick?
Yes, I think I caught a cold.
Where is your cat?
He's at the vet right now.